Bleached roots dyed pink. So this is the Blonde Me Precision Lightener from Schwarzkopf. And I'm gonna use about 20 grams of this. 25 grams of bleach. My cute little bowl. I don't even know if you can see anything. There's product. And I'm going to be pairing this with the Schwarzkopf Blonde Me Premium Oil Developer in 20 volume. 37 grams of this product to my 25 grams of bleach. Let's go. Bleaching roots is probably one of the most difficult things you could try to do on yourself. Probably the most difficult is highlights, but this is definitely up there. Because I don't see anything from the back of my head, I'm gonna be doing everything by touch and by feel. And so for this portion of the video, I'm not actually gonna be wearing gloves. This isn't something that is very recommended. However, when you're a home user, you're going to need to be very tactile. You're going to need to feel where the product is getting. First section is done. That took me about 10 minutes. To bleach the front. I did just run out for my bleach, so I'm gonna mix up probably another 5 to 10 grams of bleach. And we're finally done. This process probably took me about 40 minutes to do my roots on myself. Normally in a salon this would take a lot less. However, I am one person doing it on myself. Hopefully, because this is a scalp bleach, nothing is burning. That is probably the number one thing that I dislike about bleach. It burns the living crap out of your skin. So in fact, the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna go and wash my hands before going in and checking the progress, seeing how the back is lifting, and figuring out what to do next. Going to attempt to tackle with bleach on my roots is I want to change my piercings. This might be really stupid to do because it's so close to the bleach everywhere. This is giving me such hot roots reminiscing. So many of you guys have been commenting that you really want to see me bring it back, and this feels like it's on its way there so much. Say this bleach is so much weaker than any other bleach. Like, it is super gentle on the scalp, but it also only ever got me up to like a level 8, level 9 lift. That being said, all of the sections look super clean, well lifted. and even. So I'm super happy with the lift that it generated, and it is bright enough for, albeit the funnest part of this transformation, the pink part. I do have a love-hate relationship with this particular color line just because each time I attempted to use their emerald green color from this range, lo and behold, every single time it turned out blue. Religiously. It also does say about 1,000,000 times over, it's the Schwarzkopf Professional line. Permanent cream color. That the brows are back in place. Chef's kiss. Starting with 1189. P for pearlescence. 25 grams of this. But this is currently a level 11 color, and mine is at best a level 9, so we need to bring it back down. So I'm going in with P689. So the same color range, just much darker. This is in fact 5 shades darker. I'm going to be putting in 10 grams of this. 35 grams of 10 volume developer. If I was in the salon right now would be the time where I would be questioning every single aspect. Sitting in front of the mirror with freshly bleached but untoned hair is probably one of those life-altering experiences that really makes you ask, what the f. This is where the magic then happens. This is looking distinctly purple, so this color line better not pull one on me. You're not purple. This is purple. This is red. This is like lighter red. Oh, my light! I was wondering why I look this ugly. I didn't even take a photo of myself. Oh, it begins. It begins. Every time you apply a chemical product after you've just bleached your hair, there is a beautiful burning sensation that I enjoy not feeling 99% of the time. That's such a weird feeling. Damn bleach. That being said, I already look much better. You see this look coming together. So fun! Now I'm gonna go wash my hair with the Color Wow Color Security shampoo and the Color Wow Color Security mask. Let's go wash our hair and see what we're left with. Okay. I forgot just how hot pink can be. At this point, we can really start to see the look come together. This retails for 77 euros. K18. Do not play around when it comes to pricing. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some makeup. Give it a really cute style, and then I'm gonna be back to show you the very final reveal. Let's go. Yeah, 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 yeah. For our transformations, where we took my roots from this to this. A much better refreshment. I did overestimate those damn dyes again. Despite saying that it was a level 11, ended up being damn near dark. However, my experience with these colors is that they do fade over time, so I am expecting it to become lighter as the weeks go by. Make sure you come back for the following video to see how they're looking. I spend a lot on hair products. Alright babies, I need to leave you because I'm off for a weekend trip to Milan. And I need to show off, not my hair, my wigs, because we gotta show up. And this hair is not Milan worthy. We need to do better. Bye!